Hello everyone. So very important classification, that is Ellis classification, tested in ADAT exam or AFK or INBD. So classification is divided into 9 classes. So let's start with the class 1. So we will start from the outer layer of the tooth, that is enamel. So the first one will be simple fracture, in which only enamel will be involved, and second will be enamel and dentin, and class 3 will be enamel, dentin and pulp involvement. So question can be asked, okay, there is a class 1 fracture, the treatment. So remember, it will be on the outer layer. So we'll try to reconstruct the tooth. So simple, like by building the tooth, okay. But if in class 3, so there is a pulpal involvement, which means we have to see whether there is a necrosis, the apex is formed, all other factors we need to consider. For that thing, we must know that, okay, class 3 is enamel, dentin and pulp. And then there is class 4, in which there is non-vital tooth with or without crown fracture. Fifth one is the avulsion. So traumatic tooth avulsion, tooth is out of the socket, whole tooth. And the class 6 is the root fracture, with or without crown fracture. There can be crown fracture with root fracture, or it can be without. And 7 one is displacement of the tooth without crown or root fracture. Tooth is displaced, it's not avulsed, it's just displaced. And then we have 8, that is complete crown fracture. And the last one, 9th, is the traumatic injuries of primary teeth. Mostly I have seen the questions are always asked till like class 3, mostly class 3 or 1. So but you must know all the classification, like the 9 classes. Very important question. So it can be asked in simple way also, that in class 3 what is involved, enamel, dentin and pulp. And opposite also, they can ask you the treatment option. Thank you.